Everyone, today we're gonna be replacing the range switch in my 2014 Honda Civic. If you've seen, it has some aligning points here. You see right here, it goes all the way up here. That's neutral position. So what I did first, I put it on neutral inside the car to align to get the switch in the neutral position. So that way I can set it up. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the battery off. I'm gonna took the hose out of here, the duct. I have a KN filter, so I'm not sure how hard it can be with the original intake system, but guess some things are hard to do with the can. Here's the duct. I already got out. That's the one that goes over here. Now I'm gonna take the battery off and show you how to do the rest. I got already all the terminals out. Now I'm loosen it to remove it. Got this bit out. So now battery is ready to remove. Got the battery out. Now taking this plastic off. It's like a cover. Okay, now I got better access. So you see this is switch over there. So I need to remove. You see this bolt in the front has a safety clip, so I have to bend this tab over there back to lose this bolt and get this cable off. Have you seen? I already bent the tab. So what I did, I went from the top with a flat screwdriver and hit it with a hammer. And now I'm gonna use. Let's see if I can focus it better. Okay, it looks better now. So now I'm gonna use some pliers to finish it, bending it backwards a little more and get it loose, so that way I can pull the bolt out and get the cable off. Now that I have the top bent backwards, now I'm gonna use a 10mm wrench to remove the bolt. Just remove the bolt. Have you seen? This is the tap I was talking about. You see how I bend it to remove it? That's a locking device to prevent the cable to get loose from get loose. So I forgot to buy. I didn't know how to buy this. I'm gonna reuse the old one. But if you're gonna do it, buy this tap first. So that way you have a new one. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull the cable out. See? Is it? Cable's off. You can switch. I think the switch has a hole over here. That's probably why. You get back with time. It's a plastic part. So what I do when you are in the car, your flicker's going to reverse, flicker's going to drive. As long as you go to parking, and when you hit the parking, it shows like you never hit the parking, and your car won't start. So that's all this little thing costs. Now I've using here. There's a washer that has to be removed too. So I notice it has two dots on it. So I'm gonna install it the same way I remove it. And here's our switch right there. So now we're gonna remove that plug over there. Right here. This plug. Okay, to remove this plug, there's a tap right underneath here. So you have to push this tap this way. Let's see if I can focus it better so that way you lift it up. You see? Once you lift it up, it goes out. You see the tap over there? The tap you had to instead of push it in, you had to pull it. and then you pull this white part here, and the plug will go out. You see, that's it. So let me see if I can show you the tap better. This tap right here, you see the tap over there? Yeah, this tap clips right here, so you have to pull it, that way you break the locking device. Now we're gonna remove this bolt over there, and there's another back over there. You see it? So there's two bolts need to go out. It's a 10mm too. Okay, if you've seen the notches, that's what I was just talking about. If you put a wrench, see, it should be a line over there. So that's your neutral. That's why you put your transmission in neutral to put it on. So if you go over here, I wonder if you see a notch. A notch over here. It goes through the back of the cable. You see, they're all aligned. So that's what you're looking for. So because you have to adjust it. You see the holes are oval. They need to be adjusted. They're oval. So that way you can adjust to get those notches aligned. That will be your neutral. If you don't align that, you will be having shifting issues. That's an 01. You see all of the notches, that hole aligned with this one over there, this one and this one. That's where I put the piece of metal to align it perfectly in neutral. Let me correct something that I found. It's not only those 3 notches, also everything has to align from here all the way to this one over here. So I had to find a little longer piece of metal to set it up all the way to here and get it straight to adjust it. So be sure you have a longer piece of metal, probably an Allen wrench that could fit over here, and longer small one, and that way it's easier for you to adjust it. Okay, I found this little piece of bar. It fits perfectly through all the slots. So now I'm gonna hit and tight it right there. You see, it's already practically the same spot the other one was. I'm gonna tie it over there. Now I'm going to install the washer back right there, the cable, and well, accidents happen. I just dropped the bolt. I had to cut the video to recover it. So now install. Let me cut it pretty quick so that way I show you how it on. So I just need to tighten it. It isn't very. Now I torque it, and once I have it torqued, I have to bend the tap back again for the safety. How it on is tight. So now I bend the clip, this tap towards the bolt, and then do the test. Okay, tap is bent already, so I use a long needle pliers to do it. It's way easier with the long pliers. With those ones, easier. You don't have to. But now we're gonna put the battery back to do the test. Don't forget to put the plug back in. I missed that one, so it's always good to double check. Put the plug in. Okay. Okay, let's see. this back in. Okay, now it's gonna work. We're gonna put the battery back together, which I'm glad I decided to double check before put the battery on. Plug is in, so you push it in, and then the white tap, push it in, and then the plug goes by itself in. Okay, so now we're gonna do a test. It was neutral, so if I hit the, it's showing neutral, which is correct. So we're gonna put it on parking. Go start. That's good. At the beginning, sometimes it wasn't going all the way up to parking. We go reverse. Getting reverse. Neutral. Getting drive. All the gears are going smoothly. Okay, so yep. So what I was doing in the beginning, when I was going neutral, when I was going to drive, it was flickering in drive. And then go reverse, it was flickering and reversed. And sometimes I was going to reversed, and I was getting a message saying shift level to parking. So if I go neutral and turn the car off, I'm supposed to be able to start it in neutral too, which is right. Okay, so it's not flickering. Reverse, it's not flickering. Yeah, as we're supposed to be. Parking. And this is the end of the video. So if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it. Thank you.